If clause type 2. If plus simple past, main clause with subject plus would plus infinitive. Example, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. The main clause can also be at the beginning of the sentence. In this case, don't use a comma. Example, I would send her an invitation if I found her address. Note, main clause and or if clause might be negative. See simple past und conditional I on how to form negative sentences. Example, if I had a lot of money, I wouldn't stay here. In if clauses type 2, we usually use were, even if the pronoun is I, he, she or it. Example, if I were you, I would not do this. If I were in your shoes, I would not do this. Conditional sentences type 2 refer to situations in the present. An action could happen if the present situation were different. I don't really expect the situation to change, however. I just imagine, what would happen if? Example, if I found her address, I would send her an invitation. I would like to send an invitation to a friend. I have looked everywhere for her address, but I cannot find it. So now I think it is rather unlikely that I will eventually find her address. Example, if John had the money, he would buy a Ferrari. I know John very well and I know that he doesn't have much money, but he loves Ferraris. He would like to own a Ferrari, in his dreams. But I think it is very unlikely that he will have the money to buy one in the near future.